The National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Buchanan County in northeastern Iowa, Benton County in east-central Iowa, northwestern Linn County in east-central Iowa, until 5:45 p.m. At 4:45 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Fairbank to 6 miles northeast of T.S. Clark State Park, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Independence, Benton, Jessup, Center Point, Atkins, Urbana, Dysart, Palo, Shellsburg, Newhall, Winthrop, Walker, Van Horn, Keystone, Quasqueton, Garrison, Brandon, Raleigh, Mount Auburn, and Troy Mills. This includes Interstate 380 between mile markers 33 and 55. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send a report to the National Weather Service office in the Quad Cities. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following county: Buchanan, Iowa,